Do you want to speak English like a pro and sound more natural? Stop using boring English textbooks and start using these 10 phrases instead. Number 7 will make you sound super fluent. The first one, I'm all ears. I'm all ears. I am all ears. I'm all ears. What does this mean? This means to listen carefully. So instead of saying I'm listening, you could say I'm all ears. For example, I need to tell you something important. Go ahead. I'm all ears. The second one, it's not my cup of tea, or it's not someone's cup of tea. Something's not your cup of tea. It's something that you don't really like, or you don't like at all. I used to the other day when someone asked me if I were interested in keeping or raising pets, and I told them I can play with pets, I can be around them. I don't have any problem visiting homes where there are pets in, but I personally don't have the time, energy, and resources to raise or keep pets. So keeping pets is not my cup of tea. Tell us something that's not your cup of tea by using the comment section down below. From phrases 3 to 5, we're going to do a fast round. So I'm going to read out the phrase and you try to take a guess by letting me know what the meaning is, and I will let you know what the meanings are later on. Hit the sack. Hit the sack. Break a leg. Break a leg. A piece of cake or a piece of cake. How many did you already know? Just let us know in the comments down below. So hitting the sack means going to bed, right? When someone says that they're hitting the sack, what they're saying essentially is that they're going to bed. I'm so tired, or I'm exhausted, or I'm drained, or I'm fatigued. I'm gonna hit the sack. Break a leg. This means good luck. You have a big test or exam tomorrow. Break a leg. Or you have an interview, right? Break a leg. A piece of cake or a piece of cake. Very easy. Like a walk in the park. That also means very easy. That exam was a piece of cake. The exam was very easy. It was a walk in the park. Number 6, spill the beans. This means to reveal a secret. So instead of saying, tell me the secret, just say, spill the beans. For example, I know a secret about Jack. Sorry, I know a secret about Jake. It's Jake, it's not Jack. I don't know what I said. What did I say, Jack? I know a secret about Jake. Come on, spill the beans. Number 7, pulling someone's leg or pulling my leg. When you're pulling someone's leg, you're essentially joking and not being serious. So next time when someone's joking, don't say, are you joking? Just say, are you pulling my leg? Are you pulling my leg? For example, I just won the lottery. No way, you're pulling my leg, right? I mean, it could be true. Have you ever pulled someone's leg? Just let us know using the comments down below. Now we're gonna do another fast round with the last 3 phrases. So I'm gonna read out the phrases. You try to take a guess with the meanings, and then I'll let you know what the meanings are later on. Under the weather, under the weather. Let's call it a day. The ball's in your court, the ball's in your court. How many did you get right? So we're gonna back up to the first one, under the weather. This means feeling sick. I'm feeling under the weather today. I'm feeling unwell. I'm feeling sick. I'm feeling under the weather today. Let's call it a day. So essentially, let's stop working. We've done enough work. We've done a lot of work. Let's call it a day. The ball's in your court. So it's your decision to make before we can make any progress. I gave you my advice. Now the ball's in your court. Boom, you sound more fluent. Which phrase was your favorite? Let us know using the comment section down below. And if you want to sound even more fluent, don't forget to check out my other videos. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.